Good morning, my dear children. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and safe. Children, in my previous video, we have done some of the topics of the Western Desert. So today, we will continue the chapter. In my previous video, we have seen the location of Rajasthan and the Western Desert in India's political map. We have done the meaning of desert. What is a desert? Desert is a flat area, flat land covered with sand. And deserts receive very less rainfall, so deserts are very dry and sandy. We have done the location of Rajasthan and the Western Desert in India's political map. This is Rajasthan in India's political map, and Rajasthan lies to the west side of India. It lies to the southwest of the northern plains. See here, Rajasthan, it lies to the southwest of the northern plains. The whole part of Rajasthan is not desert, so the half part is desert and the other part is very fertile. The Aravalli range or the Aravalli hills divide Rajasthan into two parts, the west part and the east part. West part is sandy and rocky and east part is very fertile. The desert is in the west part of the Rajasthan, that is why it is called Western Desert of India. Now we will see the desert in the map. The whole of the Rajasthan is not desert. This entire desert extends from Aravalli Hills to the border of Pakistan. From Aravalli Hills to the border of Pakistan and from Rann of Kutch in Gujarat. From Rann of Kutch in Gujarat to the Punjab and Haryana plains. The Great Indian Desert extends from Aravalli Hills to the border of Pakistan in the west and from Rann of Kutch in the southwest to the border of Haryana and Punjab plains. The Indian desert is partly sandy and partly rocky. Now we will see the major cities of the Thar Desert and Rajasthan. The Thar Desert is the most densely populated desert in the world. What do you mean by densely populated? Densely populated means a lot of people living very closely in a place or in a city. For example, if we compare India from many other countries like New Zealand, Sri Lanka, United Kingdom, we can say that India is densely populated. It is the largest desert in India. Jodhpur, Jaisalmer, Barmer, etc. are some major cities of Thar Desert. Jaipur is the capital city of Rajasthan and Jaipur is also called the Pink City. Jodhpur is the largest city in the desert. See the major cities of Rajasthan and especially in the western part. Jaisalmer, Bikaner, Churu, Barmer, Jodhpur. These are the major cities in the western part, and in whole of the Rajasthan, some major cities are like Kota, Ajmer, Jaipur, etc. Now we will see the climate in the region and sand dunes. What are sand dunes? Sand dunes are small hills of sand. Sand dunes made because of the wind flows in the desert area. At some places there are small hills of sand called sand dunes. These sand dunes may rise up to 500 feet. Hot and dry wind blow here, and thus the sand dunes keep shifting all the time. In the desert area, the summer season is very hot and temperature goes up to 50 degrees Celsius, and the winter season is very cold and temperature goes up to 1 degree Celsius to 10 degree Celsius. After the sunset, the sand cools down quickly and thus nights are very cold. There is hardly any rainfall and thus vegetation is scarce. Vegetation means plant life, plants, trees, etc. Scarce means very hard to find, means very difficult to find here. See the pictures of sand dunes. Sand dunes, strong winds that blow in desert carry sand over long distances and form sand hills. These sand hills are called sand dunes. Climate in the region. Dust storms are very common in the desert area, and as I told you, winters are cold and summers are very hot. In summers, temperature goes up to 50 degrees Celsius, and in winters, temperature lies between 1 degree Celsius to 10 degree Celsius. And now we will see life in the region. Life in the region means how do people live there, what kind of houses they live, and what kind of clothes they wear. Women wear a long skirt called ghagra, choli or kurti. Blouses and tops with an odhni. You can see here, women wear ghagra, this is ghagra, this is choli, or we can also call it top or blouse, and with odhni, with an odhni. Children, this is also an odhni, and I have purchased this odhni from Jaipur, Rajasthan. This is batik print, and this print is very famous in Rajasthan. I am going to show you some pictures of the traditional clothes of men and women in Rajasthan. See the traditional clothes of women in Rajasthan. This is ghagra, this is choli, or we can also call it a blouse or a top, and this is odhni. Now we will see the traditional clothes of men in Rajasthan. The turban called pagdi, pajamas, angrakha, dhoti, waistband, patka and kamarband are integral clothing of men. You can see the traditional clothes of men in Rajasthan. This is dhoti, angrakha, this is waistband, or it is also called patka, and this is pagdi. Now we will do type of houses in this region. In this region, houses have flat roof and windows are very small and walls are very thick. The walls are thick to keep the heat out and let the houses remain cool. You can see the windows and the walls. type of houses in the region. You can see the windows are very small and walls are thick and roof is flat. Now, Banjaras. Children, in desert areas, there are some people who have no permanent houses. They move from one place to another place in search of food and water. These people are called Banjaras or nomads. Some people travel from one place to another place in search of food and water, so they are called Banjaras. Now, languages, folk dance and festivals of this region. In this region, the languages spoken are Sindhi, Marwari, Hindi and Rajasthani. Ghumar is the traditional folk dance of Rajasthan and it is performed by women only. Gangor Puja is the main festival of this region. Now I am going to show you the pictures. This is the picture of a Ghumar dance. See, women are wearing the traditional clothes of Rajasthan. Ghagra, choli or blouse with odni. This is the picture of Gangor Puja. Now we will do flora and fauna of the region. What do you mean by flora and fauna? Flora means the plant life and fauna means the animal life of this region. The soil in the desert, especially in the eastern part, is very fertile, but it is difficult to grow crops because of the very less rainfall. There are no permanent river and some very small streams exist here which are usually dry. They start flowing only when it rains. Vegetation is limited to scattered thorny bushes. It is difficult to build railway lines and road in a desert. Some trees that grow in the region are date palms, kikar, babool, etc. Vegetation is limited to scattered thorny bushes. Vegetation means plant life, plants, trees, etc. And vegetation is limited to very few type of trees and plants. You can see the thorny bushes. These bushes are scattered in this region. Cactus, leaves of babool tree, These crops are grown in summer like bajra, jowar, maize, sesame and groundnuts. These crops are grown in winter, wheat, mustard, cumin seeds, etc. Herbs, some herbs also grow there. Now the wildlife of the region. I am going to show you some the pictures of some animals, desert animals. This is desert cat. This is chinkara. This is desert snake. This is spiny tailed lizard. And this is desert rat. Children, now we will do one activity. We have covered so many topics till now. So first we will do one activity and in my next class we will continue this chapter.